Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sagar Platform, and this video is all about the unboxing of Boat AirDops. This is the new model of Airboats 441 Pro model, which had launched on 6th of August 2020, and I was expecting something extra feature, but everything will remain same apart from this IPX7 water resistance technology. Apart from this, everything is same in like the earlier version of this model, and only on Amazon Prime for the Prime customer only. And this has the 150-hour playback with case, which has a power C type cable and power back function as well, with super touch controls and also voice assistance. In this you can get it. So guys, let's start the unboxing of this Pro model 441 TWS. So here you can see this price is 6,990, but on Amazon Prime, but on Amazon the same model is available at rupees 3,000 rupees. But for the Prime customer, it was first launched on 6th August for rupees 2,499. So 2,500 rupees only for Prime customer on 6th August. Apart from this, you can buy this for rupees 3,000. So let's start the unboxing of this Boat AirPods. So guys, this is the series of another 441 model of Boat company, which I was expecting something extra, but everything remains same apart from this IP7, this water resistance technology. Apart from this, even the 6mm, the earlier one is also the same. You can see the one touch voice assistance, advanced capacitive touch control, and IWP technology, 2600 mAh carry case, up to 5 hour of playback per charge, and additional 150 hour with case you can use. And you can see which I had ordered, and I think it came from Mumbai to Delhi. It took only like 24 hour to 48 hour it is available for Prime customer. So let's open it. Oh, it's very tough to unbox this one. So the packing is very good. You can see that, like how much time I took to open this one. So after just opening this box, you can see the case of this Boat 441 Pro earbuds. This comes with the TWS technology, IWP technology, and here you can see the indicator. If you put on charge, this is the charging indicator, and you can, if you remove this one, here you can see the Type-C cable, and this also can function as a power bank. Like in emergency case, you can charge your mobile as well, but I will recommend only use for this charging if you have any emergency. Otherwise, this power bank is only better to use in charging your earbuds. So let's open this. So after opening, you can see the look of this earbuds. Very nice, and flash and the lighting is also very nice looking. This is the lime color I had ordered from Amazon Prime, and this looks very elegant. You can see the this case, like how big it is. So it's very lightweight, and I believe it's 100 gram approx. So let's open this and take out this earbuds. So it's very lightweight, and I think it's very easy to put in ear. The earbuds are very nice and very comfortable, and you can see that it's not uh, falling off from my ear. So it's very. So guys, now I will come to the review part after having my personal 3 days experience of this Boat 441 Pro. I'm very much convinced about this battery backup. I felt really awesome with the battery backup, because once I got this new Boat 441 Pro, without any charging, like after having completely 400% charge, I used for 2 days without charging, not completely throughout the day, but several times I had opened it, I had listened to the song, I had attended many calls for 2 days, and I don't have to charge for even 2 days. But I won't say that continue I'd use it, because the actually backup is 5 hours if you are using or listening your song for complete 5 hours. But throughout the days, if you are using meanwhile or for listening or calling someone, so 2 days also you can use. And once it is discharged, you can charge completely this charging case within 1.5 to 2 hours. So charging experience was very much. I will give 100. I will give 9 out of 10. And now I will come to the part of voice assistant, which I also found very nice because the voice assistant also was very good. So hope you guys enjoyed my video unboxing and review of Boat 441 Pro. Please subscribe to my new channel, like my video, share my video with your all friends and colleagues. Have a nice day. Thank you.